Yes, children, we were learning about what does this picture tells us. This picture tells us about the police woman. Spell the word police woman. POLICEWOMAN. Police woman. Police are a group of people whose job is to enforce laws, help with emergencies, solve crime and protect property. This is policewoman is another type of occupation in the city. You might have experienced policewoman in your neighborhood, in the city, and some of your parents or mother are also a policewoman. And the next, what do you see in this picture? You see postman. So what is the work of the postman? We'll see here. Before you could know what is the work of the postman, spell the word postman. 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 What is the duty of the postman? A postman has to basically deliver important documents from one place to the another. He delivers. Delivers means what? He gives letters, money orders, parcels, etc. Then this is the work of the postman. And the next occupation. What do you see in this picture? You see a man doing some mechanical work. What is he doing? He is doing some mechanical work. So spell the word mechanic. 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 So it is one of the basic occupation for men. What is the work of the mechanic? The mechanic repairs bicycle, car, etc. They have the knowledge of skills of fixing the technical problems. You might have noticed while traveling with a two-wheeler or three-wheeler, four-wheeler. So if any work is there, where do you go? If it is cycle, you go to mechanic and get the cycle repaired. Two-wheeler too, car, etc. What this mechanic are having? They have the knowledge of skills, how to fix the technical, how to solve the technical problem. So mechanic is another occupation in the city. Now see, bus driver, lady bus driver. So what is the work of the bus driver? Bus driver typically drive their vehicles between bus stops. Bus driver often drops and picks the passenger on a route schedule. Isn't it? So in the city you might have seen the bus driver, lady conductor, isn't it? How they travel from one place to the another place, halting on the stops. The people get down. Again, the new passengers, they go get into the bus, isn't it? So they carry passenger and stop often drops and picks the passenger on a scheduled route. The next, what do you see in this picture? You see the dancer teaching the dance. Dance teacher teaching the dance. So dance teacher is mainly known as choreographer. What is she known as? Choreographer. Spell the word choreographer. 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 So it is the act of seeking skills of expression, actions, etc. So this is another occupation. The next occupation is grocery. Okay, grocery. To get the things, where do you go? You go to the grocery shop. So spell the word grocer. Grocer, grocer. A grocer is a shopkeeper who sells foods such as flour, sugar, and tinned foods. Okay, so every month you might have gone with your father or mother to the grocery shop getting what all rice, wheat, grains, pulses, again what else, chocolates, kurkures, chips, so many things. Where do you get? You get in a grocer shop. So grocer is another type of occupation. The next, what do you see here? This is the flour mill. So when your mother gets the jawar or wheat, so after cleaning the jawar or wheat, where do they take that? They take to the flour mill. This is the flour mill where jawar, wheat, rice they make into a fine powder. So spell the word for flour mill. Flourmill. Flour mill. So an enterprise of the flour milling industry at which grain is converted into flour. It can be a jawar or wheat or rice or ragi, etc. So flour milling technology has developed greatly from the primitive devices of prehistoric man to modern mechanized flour mills. Okay, so you are getting even ready-made atta, that is Ashirvad, Annapurna. Directly you get the atta, isn't it? That comes from the flour mill. The next one is what do you see in this picture? You see the mason. What is the work of his? To construct the house. So a mason uses bricks, concrete, blocks or natural stones to build structures that include walls, walkways, fences and chimneys. Brick mason are sometimes referred to as bricklayers. You might have seen the construction of a house, how they work hard to construct the house. They need bricks, concrete blocks, natural stones, and iron bars, wood to make the doors and the windows. Then only the house is constructed. And the next, what do you see in this picture? You see the bank. Did you visit the bank with your father or mother? You see many people working in the bank. Some maintain the accounts, some maintain the cash, some work on the computer, isn't it? All these come under different occupation. For a person who is working in the bank, what do we call them? We can call them bank employee. What do they call? Bank employee. BANK, bank. EMPLOYEE. A person who is employed by the bank to handle the finance, account, record, etc. This is another occupation in the city. Now what do you see here? You see, you might have gone with your father or mother to the jewelry shop to buy gold ornaments. A person who does gold ornaments, what do you call that person? That person is known as goldsmith. Spell the word goldsmith. GOLDSMITH. Goldsmith designs and make gold jewelry, including with precious and semi-precious stones. A goldsmith is a metal worker. So goldsmith is another occupation. Apart from teacher, doctor, policeman, postman, dancer, driver, mechanic, grocer, floor mill, mason, bank employee, and or goldsmith. Apart from this, we have other occupations latest like artist, singing, painter, businessman, maid servant, etc. Okay, now there are many artisans who prepare the articles from our day for our daily needs to the preparation of decorative things of the house. So you might have seen how beautifully the mother keeps the house, different articles in different places. You see in the kitchen, those articles are different. You see in the guest room, those articles are different. All these articles are made by different artisans. Understood? Now, among them, handicraft is also one of the occupation. Okay. And in Karnataka is famous for carving on sandalwood among its handicraft. Okay, you might have seen in Mysore how the sandalwood is carved into handicraft. Handicraft means making craft things with sandalwood. And Channapatna, did you hear Channapatna? It is in Ramanagara district. It is famous for dolls, toys carved out of wood. You might be having in your house this decorative handicraft, then the famous dolls and toys made out of wood, that is carved out of wood. You might have kept in the showroom, showcase, etc. So these are the different occupations in the cities. So please take out your textbook again and again, see the video, and there are some dashes to fill in. Reading this explanation, if you have understood the explanation, you will write the answers correctly in the textbook with the help of the pencil, and learn the spellings like goldsmith, farmer, carpenter, teacher, doctor, postman, dancer, tailor, florist, again farmer, carpenter, postman. All these practice the spellings and be ready for slip 1 test, that is lesson 1 on Friday the 20th, carrying 10 marks. Is that clear for you? Okay, children, thank you. And read and find out the answers to the given question. You have to write in the rough book itself. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye. Take care.